Hi you guys, I just finished cleaning up and actually finished with all the unpacking and stuff, so I wanted to do a quick little home tour of our apartment. So it is the smallest place we've ever lived in, and it makes it so cozy and nice. We literally love it. But we got a table a couple days ago, and this table is from Amazon. I got it in this color. It's like a neutral. I like it so much, and it's actually it has a grainy feel to it, and actually looks really nice. I don't know if it wants to focus on, there you go. But it's really cute, and I'm really happy with it. There is a little ding on it and a few other dings, so we are trying to see if they can send us some replacement pieces, so that way nothing's actually wrong with it anymore, because just in case we end up keeping it longer or whatnot. But I got these cute little chairs from Amazon, as well with these cute little pillow things. So this kind of gives it a little French country vibes. I know the chairs are very Wabi sabi, but it kind of mixes both of this stuff up, and it looks so cute. So yeah, that's the look of it. And the chairs, I believe, were the lightest color. I think there was only actually one color, but this is what it looks like underneath. So honestly, that's the chair. But honestly, I think this gives it so much more homey feel. And I think these cushions are honestly gonna be coming back up, and people are gonna be having them in their spaces. So I think it's a new little trend that's gonna be literally, it's timeless. So really excited that this kind of matches good. I love the color. I was going for more of a Bali tulip-y look to it, so that way it can just give me a pop of color, because we are grayed out in the couch area, and with the kitchen area we are pretty much grayed out. So this was really nice, adding some warmer tones. There was an option to do a more grayer table, and I'm so thankful I did not pick that one, because this just makes it feel so much better. And I got these hydrangeas the other day, well, 2 days ago, and literally green hydrangeas are my new favorite. They are so pretty, mixed with the white. I came in there pretty late, so they didn't have much options of flowers, and I wasn't gonna get any, but then I was let me get something different and new. So I'm so happy I got them. Now I feel I always need to have some fresh greens right there in that spot. But anyway, with this area, we have just the charcuterie board, which I use for chopping as well. So it kind of is dual, but we got it at Home Goods when we just moved to Florida. So it's kind of a homey thing, and so we just let it sit out here. The candle that's burning right now is Salt by Hearth and Hand, or whatever, the Mongolia brand at Target, and it just smells so good. It's one of my favorites from there. Oh, and then these are the baskets that I got at Hobby Lobby the other day. I left the tags on because I think one of them is slightly taller and wider than the other one, even though they're considered the same size, but I guess they can't be all identical. So I wanted to see if I can run to the store and see if they have two that look a little bit more better. That way I can exchange it. But I am planning to store potatoes, onions, garlic, whatever vegetables need to stay down here. And then in this one, obviously fruit. I need to go shopping, so I don't have much options right now in there, but I really like the color. I think it matches so well with the furniture, and then also some of my pieces out here, because I have that little bowl that's our key bowl. Still left it here because there is no other place for us to put it, but the color looks really good with that. And yeah, we put it down there. And then this is just Dawn dish soap, but I have it in this thing. I've been having it for quite some years now, so I really like it. And then up there I got a little cactus, because I have some cactuses around everywhere, so I wanted it to kind of match the vibe in the kitchen a little bit. So I got that little stool thingy from Amazon as well. Everything is basically from Amazon. I love shopping there. I think it's just so convenient. So yeah, the towels are from there too, and they're one of my favorites. I shared all this before, but I'll kind of go through everything again just in case someone new is watching me. But I have plates down here. The black set is from CB2, and then the white ones are from Bed Bath & Beyond, but I think they're going going out of business, or they have went out of business or something, so I don't think they're gonna be there. But I also have like some pink ones from Home Goods in there. And then up there, it's kind of like chaos. I didn't really like make it look aesthetic or anything. This is kind of like, I don't even think towels should be standing here, but it's just like so convenient when you wash your hands and you don't have a towel, you just reach for one. So it's just convenient. So I like that a lot more than just like making things look really nice. But everything from this side right here is from Crate and Barrel. So the cocktail glasses and then the shaker thing. That little crystal glass thing is actually my mom's. I make a certain dessert with it in the wintertime, so it's like a form for it. So I took that one from her back in Washington. And then Amazon teacups, IKEA cocktail glasses, and then that's like basically a decade old. I just have like 2 left over. So yeah, I'll toss them out once I'm actually done. But this is our couch, which fit in here really nicely, and it's from Z Gallery, so it is one of my favorite buys from there. It is sectional, so you can like change the way you put it around, but it's very clean, even though we've had it for literally like coming on to like 4 years or 5 years or whatever. But we don't wear shoes in the house, and we honestly don't have pets or kids, so it stays very clean. And I also like keep up on vacuuming and lint rolling it, so that's nice. But I also want to share these stools with you all. I shared them before. This is like one of my most favoriteest buys from Amazon. They work out so perfect because we used to use them as like chairs to sit on when we had our other place, and we obviously use them around the couch as like little coffee tables. They're just so convenient and they're beautiful. They have like a very rustic look to it. I think they were originally like log style, but I made them work out. They are so Wabi sabi and they're so cute. But I kind of popped a little thing in the middle. I think it was like when my foot was still broken. I was getting out of the shower, and since I couldn't wait there, I put like all my weight on the chair to get out of like the shower, and kind of made a little indent, but it's totally fine. And yeah, this is kind of what it looks like from this end, so we love it. We don't actually, like when we're chilling on the couch, my husband's like, we can't even touch feet because like literally it's so spacious this way. But that's kind of what it looks like from this end. Very homey and nice, literally love it. And that table could actually be used as an office desk, so like a huge office desk, I guess, but that's like the biggest table size we could put in here, because obviously like we don't have that much room, and I have a totally different idea for what I want when I do have a house, but for now that will do. And then right here I have some cactuses. They are from Arizona, and then the pots are all from Home Depot. I don't know if they have them still. I did buy them like when we moved here. And then we have an IKEA mirror, which I don't know, I want to do something about this space, honestly, so we'll see what I end up changing. But basically, like from this space onto this space, we have like the contrast difference, but my cactuses in here are so like popping with like the color of the bedding. This is in our bedroom, and yeah, they're so cute. And then I have this basket because our laundry room is right there, and then that's to our bathroom. We have another bathroom door through the kitchen, and then our closet. But I love this thing. Literally would buy more of it if like I needed the space to store things in, and if I had the room. And then this is what our bed looks like. We literally are in love with it. It is from Crate and Barrel. It's like the slipcover bed, but it feels so nice. We did wash the slipcover once we moved here, and I think it shrunk a little bit. I get people asking me about like the quality of the sheets and the bedding, so I'll do like a little review in this video, I guess, on it. But we love it. It's literally so clean. We keep up on like, well, I keep up on vacuuming it and lint rolling it and stuff, so that makes it a lot cleaner. And then the sheets, basically everything besides the red stuff is from Amazon. And then the red duvet cover is from Target. So I'm like literally waiting for them to come out with a little bit of a different color so that way I can add different color in here, because I don't know, just like having things just be all white, I can't do it anymore. Like I really love the pop of colors and it just kind of more my style, so I love having that. But I'm waiting for them to come out with like maybe like a greenish color, and I'm in love with like the bedding from Amazon, so I'm literally gonna buy it from there from now on. The linen actually washed out throughout the year of us having it. It washed out. I don't think it wants to show its true color, but there you go. But it washed out to like being so soft, and then the pink pillowcases are like bamboo or whatever, but we really like it. And then this stool is like his nightstand. I kind of tried to steal it, but he told me I need to buy my own, which I do need to buy one. I just haven't, but it's really cute. I love it. It's so like solid wood, so it's actually very heavy. Don't be fooled by how it looks, but it's very beautiful. And yeah, I might get myself one of those. I told myself last time, but I've been just so busy the last year here that I literally haven't had enough time. But I'm gonna go walk around, that way I can show you guys the bathroom, because it's just better from that angle. But we don't have a balcony here, so it gives us like all this space for the couch, which is so nice. I'm so thankful for that, because like literally we would have been scrambling for room yet again. So this makes it feel just like so much cozier, and our windows come out like French style, so cute. But I do have a box right here by the door for the table. It's not going to be here for a long time, just in case they make us like ship some parts back. But this is in my bathroom. The basket is from Amazon. All the bath towels, I do get them at Costco, and then just very simple and clean. So just what it looks like. And then the hand towels, I always get them from Home Goods. Little stool in here, and that is from Hobby Lobby as well. I don't know if like every store has it. I didn't see the same size of my current one that I was at the other day, but yeah, it's really nice. And I have like a squeegee in there. I don't know if I want to put it up, because I feel like it's gonna like change the look of like just how everything looks. So I might leave it down. It doesn't really bother me right now, but yeah, it's kind of wet because I like took a shower not too long ago. But anyway, this is kind of like the look of everything and out there. So I love it. And yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching our little tour. I'm gonna go make dinner right now because my hubby is on the way home.